Okay, so to begin, we are looking at what is the difference between 3x and x cubed. 3x and x cubed. What's those look like? How do you show the difference? So I would almost look at this as this is x plus x plus x. And so you just add the x's and put how many there are. Whereas the other one is x times x times x. So that's why that one is x cubed. Okay? So if you look here, a plus a plus a plus a, how many a's is that? 4. This represents 2 b's. This represents 6 b's. So how many b's do you have? 8 b's. Okay? Whereas this one has multiplication signs in the middle. So it would be a is the base to the 4th power. Okay? A is called the base. B is called the exponent. And I forget what that is called, so I'll let you know. Okay? So today we are looking at exponents, and we are going to first look at what's called the product rule. The product rule. So if you see here, it says 2 squared times 2 cubed. So you have 2 2's right here, and that comes from here. And then you have 3 2's right here, and that comes from here. So all together, you have 2 is the base, and there are 5 of them. So here, I have 1 5. Here I have 4 5's. I'll do that. And then I have 3. That's okay. Okay? So you see kind of where each one expanded out comes from? And then we put it all together, and we have 5 to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? This one, we have x to the 9. Oh my gosh, I don't have room for all of these, do I? There's 7, there's 9, and then we have 7 of them. So, how many x's is that? I didn't do enough here. So that's x to the 16. Okay? So, sometimes, like this one, right? That's a whole lot of x's. So look at this. This is 2 to the 2nd, 2 to the 3rd. We end up with 2 to the 5th. 5 to the 1st, 5 to the 4th, 5 to the 3rd. We end up with 5 to the 8th. X to the 9, x to the 7th. We end up with x to the 16th. What do you think our rule might be? What do you think, right? This would be a is our base, right? And then what could you do to get to that exponent? Add. Good. Okay? So use that, and we're going to work on these. So instead of writing it out like we did here, which you totally can keep doing, we're going to do x to the 4th times x to the 3rd we are going to add the exponents and get x to the 7th. A to the 2nd, a to the 3rd, a to the 5th. We end up with a to the 10th. 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 5 is 10. Whoa, this one's a little bit different, isn't it? So this one, we would have b. How many's here? 7. How many b's is this? 1. So there's an invisible 1 right here, which makes this b to the 8th. And then we just keep that c to the 6th next to it. Okay? Now I want you to try and do the bottom part on your own.